Hello and welcome to a new video of human-made garden plants. This time I'm growing some cucumbers and some watermelons. These are the cucumbers, the seeds I'm going to use. And my watermelons. It is the sugar baby watermelon. That's good for the climate in Europe. So they can grow in Europe very good. First, we need to fill this pot up with some regular soil. And we're gonna fill it up, push it down a bit. And then the seeds. First I start off with the watermelon seeds. These are the seeds. This is what they look like. I'm doing in each corner one. And now I'm getting the cucumber and I put it in the same container because I want to put them together in a big container so that they can later on grow together. These are the cucumber seeds. 2 of them going in there. And there is some room in the middle, so I put 2 extras in there. Each I do 1 seed. So we have 3 plants from each. Now I'm getting the soil because it needs a top layer of soil, of course. I'm putting around 2 centimeters of soil because then they can grow through a thick layer of soil. These are strong little seedlings. Putting a sandwich bag underneath it because I don't have a place to put it where it doesn't leak any water. So I do it this way so it doesn't leak any water everywhere. Now we're going to water it, of course. Water it good the first few weeks so that they can grow very good. This was it for this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next one.